This is what's in my medicine chest, medicine cabinet as they call it back in the day. This is what mine looks like. This is it. Take a look. This is what I have. This is everything I have. Over here I have 3 toothbrushes. I rotate them. If somebody else have 3 or 2 toothbrushes that they use at a time, leave it in the comment. This is my little Ferraro, whatever they used to call it. And then this is my Sensodyne toothpaste. And then this is my other toothpaste. So I use 2 different toothpastes on any given day, and I rotate my toothbrushes. But this is what this looks like. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to you, live life, enjoy life. It is very short. Take the opportunity whenever you get it and do something nice for yourself. Be creative and stay beautiful. I will see you in the next video.